Out in the heart of the wide Pacific blue lies a chain of islands where the sunlight feels true. Low-lying shores where the soft winds play. Kiribati, my home, where my spirit will stay.
Tarawa stands where the journeys begin, where the government guides us, where families come in. Traveling out to the islands afar, by ocean paths, under moon and star.
Mauri, Mauri, greetings warm and bright, from the break of day to the calm of night. Beautiful ocean, lagoon shining free. Kiribati, my love, you're the heartbeat in me. Golden sun rises on the water so clear, and sunsets paint colors we hold dear. Soft sandy beaches where the waves kiss the shore, a paradise calling forevermore. Mauri, Mauri, greetings warm and bright, from the break of day to the calm of night. Beautiful ocean, lagoon shining free. Kiribati, my love, you're the heartbeat in me. Though the islands are scattered, our hearts stay as one, bound together by culture, by sea and by sun. Wherever we wander, we carry your name. Kiribati, Kiribati, forever you remain. Mauri, Mauri, with a joyful sound, to the islands we treasure, the home we found. Blue waves and breezes,